Suds Car Wash. About to go to Palm Beach Cars and Coffee. So we're gonna get the car cleaned, get probably a breakfast burrito, maybe two. And I've already got some ice in the cooler in the back. This time we'll have some drinks to actually cool off with, so stay tuned. Gotta love Palm Beach construction. Oh yeah. Finished the car wash. It's 6:29. Usually I get there about 6 o'clock and then wipe the car down, but I don't know, I feel better knowing that the car has been at least pressure washed, all the light dust came off. I don't really feel comfortable doing a, you know, quote unquote car show wipe down with dust on the car. So I like to blast off the bugs and any light dust, and then I will follow it with a ceramic boost wipe. So right around the corner is Cars and Coffee. So we finally got the booth up. It is now, can you guys see that, 8:25? Feels like it's 12 o'clock, but everything's up and running. We got some Lambos on the side, GT2 RS, McLaren, Lambo. Not bad. Not a bad setup. It's kind of dead today. I don't know if it's because of the weather, it's supposed to rain, not sure. We brought a number of models back to the show, and they're still there. Oh! This is the aftermath of just setup. All the way down. All the way out to that last tent. So we have 3 tents total, 5 tables. Obviously one in the middle is for cashier. We accept cash cards, no checks. And we got this Performante here. Oh my goodness. You guys get a look at that. So we absolutely killed it in sales. I'm just kidding. We're putting everything away right now. If that were the case, this side over here is our wax and sealant, ceramic coating kits, machine polishers, pads, compounds. All this is always full. I mean, we always sell a pretty good amount, but everything's in boxes. It's a little after 12, putting everything away now. But at least we got generators, fans, and water. Thank God for all that. All right, guys, everything is packed away, sitting in this god hot, awful car. The black on black on black combination looks good when it's clean, but it's horrible when it's hot outside. Especially if you have leather seats or leatherette seats like I do. It's just sometimes unbearable, but unfortunately Volkswagen didn't offer a remote start that I know of for the Mark 6 GLI. If they did, I wasn't told about it, which, you know, sucks. But there's an aftermarket remote start kit that you can buy for the Mark 6 GLI. I'm probably going to do that. It's about $100. I'm not going to do it anytime soon, but about $100 gets you a remote start, factory remote start with your factory key fob. So once I do that, I'll install it, show you guys how to do that, how to program it, and yeah. So it should be awesome. The show went really well. Didn't break any records like we did last month, but another great show in the bag. So I appreciate everybody who watched this video. If you want more footage of vehicles, or maybe more in-depth coverage of what we have, what we offer, leave a comment below or shoot me a DM on Instagram, MK6Guy, same as my YouTube handle, as my Instagram name. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one.